guys, what's up? Welcome back to CodePlusOne. In today's video, as I told you in the last video, I will teach you about classes. You might notice that the screen looks a bit different, like a lot more zoom. That is so that you can see the code more clearly and you don't hurt your eyes by just like going into the screen. So what are classes and why are they useful? Classes are useful, like when they just make everything more less complicated, a lot less complicated. So let's go ahead by making a class. It's pretty simple. We use the class keyword, give a name to the class. Let's make it an animal, parentheses, colon. Then we will use the define keyword and then the double underscore init double underscore function. Come on, I didn't even type it. Yeah. Oops, forgot that. Self. Self name and then sound. Okay, like this. Colon and oops. Alright, I was trying to use a shortcut to comment it out and press some other keys. And now we press enter and we type self dot the first parameter called name is equals to name, enter, self dot sound equals to sound, enter, backspace, def, now here we use make underscore sound parentheses self. Yeah, one more thing. I will now teach you about the F string, which you just see. Print. Here I will type F string, and here I will use the curly brackets. Name space says space another pair of curly brackets sound. Wait, what error is this again? Oops. What error is this showing? It's no error. Print this. Oops. Now here I'm gonna go to backspace. Dog equals to bracket animal. Oops, small, sorry. animal. Yeah, my mics are here. Animal. Now here first I need to do the name. The name is dog. Whoops. Needs to be a T. Space. Barks. Enter. Cat equals to animal. Name cat. Meows. And then enter. Make underscore sound. Animal dot make sound. Here I guess use what do we say? Yeah, dog and cat. Please figure it. Sorry. Run. Yeah, you have to save it. Oh yeah, I forgot. Only one. You can give only one. Sorry guys, don't make this mistake if you are just watching and thinking to do it all. Control C, just copy this and paste this here, and instead of dog I can use, come on, cat. Now let's run it. It will yeah, I did the opposite. Control C, backspace, space, and it will give an error here also. What am I doing wrong? I surely am doing something wrong. That is something which I am sure about. Maybe I think it's here. It should come self.name and self.sound. Let's try it. Space, yeah. Yeah. Do this. It will be here and here. Let's see if this works now. It most probably should work. Yeah, it worked. Yep, it worked. Finally it worked. Yep, that's all for classes. Yep. Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe and subscribe here also. There will be one video right over here and one video here. I mean my channel subscribe button here. And yep, don't forget to watch the full playlist. I will keep the playlist right here. So yep, bye guys.